For photography enthusiasts craving a blast from the past, the rumor mill has been buzzing with whispers of Canon's possibly making retro cameras. While Canon has been tight-lipped about concrete details, but stay tuned as we focus on the latest leaks and what we've gathered so far. If the rumors hold true, we could be treated to a brand new fixed-lens aps-c camera donning a vintage-inspired design. Sources hint at an active, even if just exploratory development phase underway at Canon, potentially drawing inspiration from iconic models like the renowned Canonet QL17 rangefinder. Imagine the thrill of wielding a digital incarnation of a classic, merging timeless aesthetics with modern technological marvels. Now, why would a powerhouse like Canon venture into this niche market? Well, the answer might lie in the skyrocketing popularity of retro-styled cameras among younger demographics. Fujifilm's X106, a standout in this realm, has sent shockwaves through the industry with its meteoric rise to mainstream fame, courtesy of a TikTok frenzy. Nikon, too, has dipped its toes into these nostalgic waters with its ZF and ZF-C mirrorless offerings. Canon usually focuses on appealing to a wide range of customers, but the current trend of retro-style cameras is hard to resist. They understand that many people love the classic designs of their old popular models. Imagine having a modern version of the iconic Canonet. That would be pretty cool, right? It's no wonder people are excited about the idea of owning a digital version of a beloved classic camera. Now, you might be wondering, but isn't this just a niche market? Well, the numbers beg to differ. Premium compact cameras like the Leica Q3 and Ricoh GR3 are super popular because they take awesome photos better than smartphones. Everyone's crazy about the Fujifilm X106 too. If you're into photography, these cameras could be a great way to make some money. A full-frame fixed-lens camera from Canon would be ideal, but the high costs may not fit their goals of dominating the mirrorless market. So, they might go for a cool aps-c retro compact instead. This could be a great spot, drawing in Canon RF mount users who want a trendy, one-of-a-kind camera buddy for their collection. It's all about finding that perfect balance between cost and style. Of course, some skeptics might scoff at the idea of a retro camera design. For people who love old-fashioned styles and history, it's super cool that Canon might put its modern technology into a retro design. This means young photographers get a new choice, and older ones can enjoy the memories of the past. It's a great mix of new and old for everyone who loves photography. Alright, let's talk about the big question. Canon hasn't officially confirmed anything yet. They're keeping quiet, but remember how they've talked about hearing customers out on how the EOS cameras look and work? Maybe, just maybe, this hints at a cool retro mirrorless camera coming our way. Exciting, right? And remember, Canon recently brought back the iconic PowerShot name with the V10 vlogging camera. They're totally up for reviving old favorites. So how cool would it be if they made a retro compact camera next? Imagine all that nostalgia coming back in style. Canon's got some exciting tricks up their sleeve. While details remain shrouded in mystery, the mere possibility of Canon joining the retro camera fray has our hearts racing with anticipation. Imagine the joy of holding a sleek, vintage-inspired shooter adorned with cutting-edge capabilities. The fusion of past and present could ignite a newfound passion for photography, reigniting the excitement of capturing unforgettable moments with a camera that's equal parts timeless and innovative. So, as we eagerly await any official word from Canon, let's revel in the speculation and collectively hope that these whispers ring true. In a world where fancy tech usually steals the show from handcrafted items, the idea of a classic Canon camera making a comeback is like a sweet nod to the good old days. It's the best way forward is to embrace the past. So that's all about Canon Retro Camera 2024. Rumors, leaks, and everything we know. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.